Yeah, man, yo, we gotta bust this video out. Check out.
Here we go again, it's the Elder X add-on. So black and conscious when you see me say right on. To myself I have to get my own damn hype on. Old school, my hip-hop will drop the knowledge born. Never thought I'd flow, only in my poetry. I've been a closet flower since the year 1983. Now finally on Facebook manifested, I claim it in the spirit, I shall be discovered. I bang, I sing, guitar or piano. My capella is a cello, so dig the orchestration. Once underrated, they clown me in the cipher. Now that I got nicer, they say I am the nicest. Shine bright like ISIS, my flow fluorescent. Feel the ever presence of my bar engagement. Matrimony, lyrically deleting all profanity. Too constant to wake up in the lab, I never sleep. My concept of my thesis is Elder Xology. All my DC haters respect the terminology. If you listen, you'll probably agree. Obsessively, I'm knee deep in pen pads and beats. 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 Pen pads and beats.
Leave the hype.
All the mix, the rhythm, the rebel. All the mix, the rhythm, the rebel.
Don't believe the hype.
The rhythm, the rebel. All the mix, the rhythm, the rebel.
Don't believe the hype.
The rhythm, the rebel.
Now when it comes down to this rap crap, no need to get it twisted. I do this for a hobby and I love to spit it quicker. Damn me off the Richter, earthquake in speakers. You only pick the surface, but you never knew the end, you'll be picking the winner every time that you might listen. Lean back, Jack, for the prolific senior citizen. My earth cinnamon, brown tasty sugar. The drive-by poetess wet you with the lyrical, giving you a minimum. Poetry nutritious, but surely major. These pages that I scripted, I get you lifted. My paragraph, the new pimp, the new loud. That gangsters moving silence, but styling and profiling. Soft toe as a ninja. That's how it is when my flow creep right up on you. Glad to know you, glad to meet you. I'm feeling every listener knowledge fluorescent. Mic check present, accounted for whatever. Will I stop rapping? Nah, that is a never. So here's a clever metaphor and concept. Deepness and depth, period in mathematics. Melanin knacking, design the conscious, design to conquer, advance you in your mental. Elder X, the rapping poppin' minister. He ain't bad for a spirit of senior citizen. What is he doing? Trying to save the children. I know you like my style and anointed purpose. Elder X, the rapping poppin' minister. He ain't bad for a spirit of senior citizen. What is he doing? Trying to save the children. I know you like my style and anointed purpose. Elder X, the rapping poppin' minister. He ain't bad for a spirit of senior citizen. What is he doing? Trying to save the children. I know you like my style and anointed purpose. Elder X, the rap poppin' minister. He ain't bad for a spirit of senior citizen. What is he doing? Trying to save the children. I know you like my style and my anointed purpose. Yeah. Catch feelings, you don't like my dealings. On Facebook, I might be too appealing to these hip-hop kids. I'm just like Bob Marley, R.I.P. Big L, and also Biggie, like Chuck D. I know that you don't hear me though, even though my poetry, mine is flow. Yo bro, you don't want to give me shine of light. Help a brother come up, and you see me grind, day after day, night after night, making my bones on video tight, reciting righteous insight. You rather invest in trendy devil recites. I'm nice right to Eli, third eye, prophet scribe. You so tight, you despise to see this brother rise. How many crabs in the barrel of power ties? Scheme and plot to sabotage your rise. I'ma get mine regardless, just a matter of time. Karma is a mother when I describe you in my rhyme. Putting you on blast, throw you under the bus. See me on the come up, we got nothing to discuss now. Elder Xology, rhyme trigonometry. Never gonna replicate Elder Xology, Odyssey, chronological poet. Some of y'all pathetic, no etiquette. Defecate on your project, no respect. Who's sticking out the chest? Fraudulent gun threats. Gonna do me this and that. Fairy tale lyric. Talking about your tricks and all the money you spent. How you got product on yourself, dry snitch. Clown joker, you cloning originality, hopeless. Manifesting violence, no intelligence. Understanding if you lived it, but you ain't lived crap. Only in your rap, you caught your lives with pen. You idolize some tough guys who did the federal biz, but never listen to the ones who say it's all bullshit. I'm an elder representative, schooling youngest. Time for higher learning, too many birds chirping. Need the realization of the master plan. How they compromise your most loved rap artists. Said keep it negative and we will bless your pockets. Even give you stock in private-owned prisons. All the riches of the world, when you sold you forfeit. To our Solomon Gomorrah, Caligula type living, sexual perversions and pedophile pleasures. Participate in rituals, purely demonic. Endorse drug usage, disrespect your woman, glorify crime and make more convicts. You the role models of these urban kids. Your people fall into trends till they bend ass backwards. Conscious mathematics is busting out my guts. Reveal the unseen behind the locked closed doors. If you want to know the truth, search underground. Got more wordsmiths to be awakened in the struggle. Until that, I'm gonna post like Vanguard. Melanin soldier out to cuss like what? It's the wake up. It's the wake up. Elder Astrology, rhyme trigonometry. You know what it is. Assume the position. Listen. You ain't gotta pay much. You gotta pay attention. Until that, I'm gonna post like Vanguard. Another new soldier out to cuss like what? It's the wake up. It's the wake up.
Please wake up.
I maintain my game through the maze of life change. Like Lazarus got raised from the dead bone grave. Training like a slave to the insatiable crave. Mama's prayer got answered, she seen me clean. Still did not believe before she passed away. From the world is a ghetto to the pearly gates. My sibling unforgiven, never seen the pain. Only pain that I caused, not the pain that came. We take it all back if I got the chance. Accept reality and let it be what it be. No fantasy, some will never forgive Wayne. Until my last day, only God could judge Wayne. Not my first cousins who politely disown me. Not my ex-ladies praying that I'm suffering. Not the ones I made suffer in the grips of addiction. Society judged me before my conception. I take it all in like a grain of salt. The part that I played, the part I was at fault. The season, the reason, some are even leaving. Rejection is protection, God be intervening. Trying to make amends, but some ain't feeling that. Attempts to reconcile, they burning bridges. But I'm a crossover like Iverson to the better part of me and a progressive motion. Loyalty, devotion, a hard thing to find. God will never leave my side, I keep that in mind. Slide with the rhyme, self-inventory. This is my story and I'm sticking to it. Guilt and shame, I flushed out the drain. God forgives me, so I forgave me also. Don't want to interact, I ain't mad at you. If this is God's will, then I'm alright with it. Guilt and shame, I flushed down the drain. God forgives me, so I forgave me also. Don't want to interact, I ain't mad at you. If this is God's will, then I'm alright with it. Guilt and shame, I flushed down the drain. God forgives me, so I forgave me also. Don't want to interact, I ain't mad at you. If this is God's will, then I'm alright with it. Yeah. This is my story and I'm sticking to it. Yeah. 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 Guilt and shame, I flush down the drain. God forgives me, so I forgive me also. Don't want to interact, I ain't mad at you. If this is God's will, then I'm alright with it. Check it. end of the day, you know you want it from here. Hear the revelry and join me in alliance. Poetry, my passion, multiplicable, I'm tagging, lacing every earlobe with that conscience. Standing in astonishment, elder exobonic shining like gold nuggets when I drop it. Ride the magic carpet of this universal knowledge. 360 and I'm barking. So many reasons for the treason, crap barrel seasons, indoctrinated soul, thoroughly conditioned. Falsified religions, manipulated virgins. Think you need a human being to get to God's blessing? Excuse you being sheep, being led to the slaughter. Gathering your quarters when I buy your way to heaven? Sorry, I don't think so. Your mind been bamboozled. Celebrating Christmas and marketing maneuver. Celebrate the Messiah, Kris Kringle, as an equal. The equivalent of evil smiles when they deceive you. You say it's for the children, it is to keep them feeble. Halloween, Thanksgiving is based on sacrificial. Bloodshed and rituals, third eye your visual. So you can see through superficial innuendos. Origin of a picnic that meant to pick a Negro. Don't call me baby boy, that's the meaning to the kingship. The manhood of a melanin, regal as a panther. Call my queens a bitch, a hoe, a heifer. That belittles queendoms, sanctified virtues. Slanging drugs is genocidal like worshiping an idol. Inducing younger children so greasy and insidious. Pimple melanin princess, a vessel of tomorrow. Slimy cockroaches, a slick talk demonic. You're doing too much. You know you need to stop it or sell a living hell where you dwell in ignorance. Keeping it 1000, official and authentic. Pressure bust pipes, my lyric bars enlighten. Yeah. At the end of the day, you know you want it from here. Hear the revelry and join me in alliance. Poetry, my passion, multiplicable, I'm tagging. Lacing every earlobe with that conscience. Standing in the starman, elder exobonics. Shining like gold nuggets when I drop it. Ride the magic carpet of the universal knowledge. 360 and I'm barking. At the end of the day, you know you want it from here. Hear the revelry, join me in alliance. Poetry, my passion, multiplicable, I'm tagging. Lacing every earlobe with that conscience. Standing in the starman, elder exobonics. Shining like gold nuggets when I drop it. Ride this magic carpet of this universal knowledge. 360 and I'm barking. At the end of the day, you know you want it from here. Hear the revelry, join me in alliance. Poetry, my passion, multiplicable, I'm tagging. Lacing every earlobe with that conscience. Standing in the starman, elder exobonics, shining like gold nuggets when I drop it. Ride the magic carpet of this universal knowledge. 360 and I'm barking. 360 and I'm barking. 360 and I'm barking. 360 and I'm barking. At the end of the day, you know you want it from here. Hear the revelry and join me in alliance. Poetry, my passion, multiplicable, I'm tagging. Lacing every earlobe with that conscience. Standing in the starman, elder exobonics. Shining like gold nuggets when I drop it. 360 and I'm barking.